Got a free data ride as people focus on CPI on Thursday and believe it's going to come down. And if it comes down measurably, you can see Microsoft get to 250. Microsoft in these environments trades higher when things like this happen. When the market goes there, it goes to the big cap tech, it goes to reliable brand names.
Well, Douglas C. Lane, Sarat Sethi owns Microsoft. He joins us now. It's good to see you. You know, interesting from Weiss, who's very cautious on the market and has been for many, many months. Says now's a decent time to get Microsoft at the same time where I've got Jim Cramer trimming a little Microsoft because thinking about a valuation that might still be too high. What do you say?
I'm in the Cramer camp there. I'm actually trimming as well. I think, Scott, when you look at Microsoft trading at about 24 times earnings, very good company, solid balance sheet, but everything has to be perfect. I mean, if you look at the pull-in that we've had for Microsoft, not just in cloud computing, but in PCs, in software, and now they're trying to make an acquisition, in gaming, I think everything is perfect there. And I don't think we are priced in an environment where if you miss, and I think the big, large tech companies could do that, you could see some money coming away from Microsoft. So maybe if Weiss is doing this as a trade, and again, he's betting on CPI, and again, none of us really know.
He is. But I mean, still, so you're trimming some of your holding as well. Look, I mean, when you've got the CEO of the company saying a week or so ago, the next 2 years are going to be the most challenging. I hear you, but the valuations come down a lot from 31.5 a year ago to 23 now. 23 is still not cheap. I mean, if you look at kind of what their growth rate is going to be in a $200 billion revenue base, you have to have really good earnings trajectory. You have to say for the next few quarters, we're going to have good earnings trajectory. And I think that's going to be very hard to do in an environment where companies are going to be cutting back and you don't have that spending that you had for the last 2 years, and you don't have really, really low interest rates to support it as well. Wow. So I'm looking at your holdings and I'm saying, okay, if Sarat thinks that Microsoft is still too expensive and he's trimming, I can only imagine what he thinks about his NVIDIA or his Amazon.
So what I've done there, so I do own them, but what I do is I have much smaller positions than the market. So Microsoft's position in the S&P is 5%. I'm 2 and getting down lower. Amazon is at 1, and I'm really rethinking my whole holding in Amazon. NVIDIA, I like just because of the secular growth of it, and I own about a $1.50 in there. So that's a different kind of view on that one. But I am definitely pulling back on the tech exposure. I think the days of the last 10 years, we're going to have to really be careful because there's a lot of other opportunity where you're going to get growth at a much more reasonable price. Wow,
Sarat doing some bomb dropping on overtime today. We have to expand on that sometime. Sarat, thank you. Appreciate it. That's Sarat Sethi. All right, halftime overtime with us today.